welcome back to another video. Today we have some more clearance items from Milwaukee's Moukey. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here with the clothing section, we got a hat here, some hats, $12, and most of these are going to go on clearance. They are winter. Alright, we got a toolbox here. It's a really nice toolbox. It says 120 pound rated rollers, and then you got $9.98, 52-inch 15 drawer heavy duty. So 51 inches, it's 51.8, 21.5 in depth. Alright, you got some shorts here. Some of them are 18 bucks. Some of them are 17. Just depending on they all have different prices. We got a Carhart here, a hoodie, 45 from $59.97. Then you got these. These are to carry the bigger pieces. I wish I would have had some of these back in the day, but for the bigger panels and the 4x8s and all that stuff. This is the rigid section, $129 for this 6-gallon pancake air compressor. So $129 for those. Alright, you got this one. This one usually flies off the shelf. $69.97 for the inverter. This is a 150 watt inverter from Ryobi. This is with standard 18 volt batteries. And yes, guys, this is 2700 psi. That's crazy for an electric pressure washer. $319. 2,700 psi, 1.1 gallons per minute. That is so crazy. Alright, guys, we got these powered brushes you can stick on your drill. If you got an older drill, very inexpensive, you can put that to the elements and attach one of these, and if they break, they break. You got a cheaper drill. Obviously, you don't want to. I mean, you can put your Milwaukees and DeWalts on these, but if you have a cheaper one, from Harbor Freight or from Amazon or a Ryobi laying around somewhere, you can probably go ahead and put these in there, and if it gets wet, if you're off $20, $30 there. But other than that, these are great little brushes for the grills, for the bathrooms, for the cars, the carpet, all the stains. And then they got this one's abrasive. So they got several different levels of brushes, and not just here. You guys could buy them online. They do sell them at Amazon. I've done reviews, tons of reviews on these things. They do work great. Alright, we're here at the clearance section. You got the Universal Fit air-filled wheel. So it's a universal flat free tire. 44 bucks from 46. Yes, guys, we got some power tools here at the clearance section. This is another clearance section that they had. Alright, we got the Ryobi. This is 40-volt brushless blower to only $149. So that's 350 CFM. Alright, you got this one. This one looks like a Bosch and a Moukey. The first one's a Bosch. This is a green cowboy laser. $199 down from $299, so that's a pretty good deal. It has a nice case. Then this is a screw gun. And this is the drywall screwdriver, and then they got the high torque impact wrench brushless, 18 volt LXT, and then they got this 3-tool combo kit with the circ saw, impact driver, and a hammer drill. Alright, for the screwdriver, they want $169. Obviously, you guys want to check all these prices. This is the 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is a 7 1/4 circ saw kit, $179 down from $199. And then they got the 5-tool combo kit, $270. That's it right there. It's pretty nice. It's not fuel. Like I said, you always want to check, ask your associate and scan these, see if this is the price that that is currently there. Sometimes you get some crazy prices. So I've scanned a few things, especially if they don't scan on your app. You might want to definitely check it out. This is a nailer. This is a framing nailer. $199 down from $229. Got some Diablo Blades. This is a 28 piece, down to $27 from $29.99. Got a 16 piece spade bit set with the nice canvas pouch there. I really like those pouches. $18. Yeah, because usually you'll lose them and they go all over the place. And you got a blade kit 20 piece, $45. Oscillating too, Milwaukee. I'm still waiting for them to drop it. You got a Shockwave Impact 120 set, Milwaukee. And you got an Impact X. And they did not have any of the other ones, by the way. $18 for this one. And they had this. You always want to look at the back too, because sometimes they'll throw stuff back there. And that's the way you get really, really cheap items. So big shout out to Deal Team 6 for all these, especially Joel the Tool Guy. He's been, you know, hitting these penny deals, getting all these items for like 10 cents, for 1 cent. They're all the way on the back. Usually if you see a package on the back, make sure you guys scan it. Then they found these. These are 8x12s, number 8s. Screws. These are 3.5s, 5 pounds. It does have a free T25 bit included. Deckmate. All wood to wood applications. Got a star drive there. Yep, $9.53 down from $37.98. So I ended up picking this up, the last one. And then this is a cordless lawnmower. It's down to $149 from $229. And this one, guys, this is the one that I wanted to get, but I can't justify just buying another mower here. So this is the TORO 60 volt 21 cordless self-propelled mower. $224 down from $449. Yeah, I don't have any space to put any more. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.